What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad's Simply Cooking. Today, we're making something delicious, something simple. We're making chicken enchiladas. That's right, chicken enchiladas. No mess, no drama, just good food done right. Here I have a rotisserie chicken I got earlier today. I figured it'd be perfect to make chicken enchiladas. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and shred my chicken on up. So we have our chicken. I cut it up, put it in my food processor, and I chopped it up even finer. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper on in there. A little bit of that salt. I'm gonna put some of this Asiago seasoning on in there too. And then a dash. Just a dash though. Now, if you want to, you can add in an onion. This is completely optional. It's whatever your taste bud is. It's preferred, but it's not required. Yeah, I'm just going to take my onion. I want to chop it up real fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute my onions on down a little bit.
I want to help.
So here, we're just going to saute our onions on down. Add a little bit of avocado oil and a little bit of that salsa verde to these. And we're just going to cook these on down. I'm going to add a little bit of cream cheese on in with my chicken. Just a little bit, a half a block. So about 4 ounces. So here I have a can of salsa verde. This is mild. I'm going to add a little bit to my chicken. Just a little bit. Oh, it smells good too. So our onions are sauteed down. And we're just going to add them right on in to the mix. All right. So I'm going to lock my food processor on in. I don't want anything flying out. Pop my top on. Pulse that. So now here's the trick, okay? Pan, oven, 350. What do you think, 375?
Yeah.
Okay, oven, 375. Casserole dish. Now I'm using the green chili enchilada sauce. That's what we like to use. You can use the red chili enchilada sauce. It's your choice, okay? Yeah. All right, watch out. So I'm going to put a little bit of sauce down. That green chili sauce. Get it spread all around that pan. Now we assemble. I just got some generic tortillas. You can use whatever kind you want. I'm going to take a little bit of that green chili sauce. Cover the tortilla. Just like that. And then I'm going to scoop a little bit of my chicken. We want to add a cheese. We got 2 different types of cheese. We got the pepper jack and we got the cheddar jack. Axel loves adding cheese. You want to add cheese? Yeah. Add some cheese. I got some pepper jack cheese here, and you can't ever add enough cheese. I'm just saying. We love cheese, don't we? Yeah. I love cheese. You love cheese. We all love cheese. And it's simple. I'm going to fold over.
And that.
and fold over. We eat through duck. And then I'm going to put it in here and then roll on over.
It's big.
Yeah. Okay, now you want to add your chicken?
And my chicken.
Yeah, so you use the spoon.
The more?
Yep.
Get that giant chicken.
And then kind of flatten it with the spoon. And we want it to go this way. So get some more up there.
Can't do
Get
it.
some more chicken up there.
I got a huge, big chicken.
Yep.
I got a big, huge chicken.
You did. That's good. You want to do a little bit more chicken?
Yep. Okay.
That good?
Yep. Now I'm gonna make some cheese.
Okay.
On it. No, I don't want to do double cheese.
Why don't you bring the cheese over here? That way you gotta drag it. You just want to do yellow cheese?
Mhm.
No pepper jack?
Yep, I do.
Just reach. Grab and dump. Okay.
Now I'm gonna add pepper jack.
Okay.
Pepper jack. The yellow cheese are my favorite.
Yeah.
I just want to spread mine out real quick.
I got it. I'll spread it out. All right. And now we're gonna fold it. Okay.
I'm gonna do this all by myself.
Okay. Fold it over. And no, you want to fold it real good.
Okay.
Okay. And then fold it again. And then lift it up. I'm gonna help you so you don't spill it. And then we push it in. And then we rotate it. So if anything's gonna fall out, it's gonna fall inside it. Okay. A little bit of that.
How you did that?
And the dad way of chicken enchiladas is, of course, I'm gonna put some cheese up on top too. Take a bit of that pepper jack. And time to bake. So, we are fresh out the oven. Not sure, like I said, if we did it right, but we're gonna try it. Looks pretty good. Let's try it. I'm a little nervous. First time making it. Good?
Yeah, that's really good.
Yo, it's simple, it's easy, it's delicious. Make it however you want to. If you want to add some olives, some peppers, whatever. Keep it simple, keep it easy, keep it classy, keep it international. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Thank you all so much for all the likes, comments, and subscribing. Leave a comment below. What's your favorite Mexican dish? And I'll catch you in the next one. Love ya. Peace.